You just don't know. Can you tell me? You say you can, but you just don't know. Can you tell me which flowers are gonna grow? Is it gonna be a daisy or a rose? Ba-dum-dum-dum-dum. Ba-ba-doo-be-da-doo-ba. Ooh, I do, ba-ba-doo-be-da-doo. Yeah, yeah. Ba-ba-doo-be-da-doo. Ooh, I do, ba-ba-doo-be-da-doo. Yeah, yeah. Ba-ba-doo-be-da-doo. Wah, 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 doo. Ba-ba-doo-be-da-doo. Yeah, yeah. Ba-ba-doo-be-da-doo.
Or those crazy people that you always say start, why would they be starting now in the broad daylight in the sun? We're those crazy people right now.
Where we?
Yeah, that way? Yeah, it seems cool. Good. Okay, we want to check.
So we're going up there, huh?
Up and away.
Hang on.
Prohibited.
Morning.
We're sturdy hiking shoes.
Trail follows nearly vertical route with exposed cliffs that require climbing on iron rungs. Falls on this mountain have resulted in serious injury and death. Small children and Democrats should not use this trail. Hikers should comply with the following. Dogs are prohibited. This is not a trail for MRM.
But it's a beautiful one.
Oh. I've got to get you. Yeah. You're going to want that rail. It's a hanger. Good. There's a hand grip here. And then here we go again.
Mm-hmm.
Hand it up, babe. Like one of the ends. Are you good? Here's Sharon. How's that view? Maybe this view? I don't know.
Thinking the same thing I'm thinking right now. Is your heart soaring free with your feet on the ground? Well, I just caught your eye from this side of the room. Are you falling for me like I'm falling for you?
Good? Okay.
Well, I wonder all day if you might think of me. They say love is blind, but so far I can see that the man that you are is too good to be true. Are you falling for me like
Good.
I'm falling for you?
Don't push something if it doesn't feel good. Stop.
There's another side of that inlet.
Yeah.
My mama is smiling, my daddy is proud. I'm wearing white flowers, you're laughing out loud.
It's an easy step
And
over
there's
here.
so many questions, but we both said I do. 'Cause you're falling for me like I'm falling for you.
The only way down, we're on the top of the Beehive Trail at Acadia National Park. 520 feet high.
Where'd she go? I lost my wife. Oh, she moved.
It makes the days go by.
It's pretty.
Mhm.
There's precipice right there. You can't go on that.
Here's how they fly.
Which is okay. We'll go on other things that will be a blessing to see.
But there's a way you can sneak onto it down here. You can pick something up that and then go up onto
He's
it.
with the wrong person for that.
You can get up there without going by the ranger down at the bottom. The ranger's down here.
No, I bet you there's another one.
Go over here. You can zigzag up and go. But the reason why we can't go up there is because...
Because of me.
No, what's the real reason?
Because there are falcons mating and nesting
Nesting.
up there. So they're courting with each other.
And they are...
They're nesting and they're aggressive.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't really want to get attacked by that. No, thank you.
Chris Pratt, yeah, look, if Chris Pratt can take a velociraptor in Jurassic World, we could definitely take one of those falcons.
I don't feel that confident about it.
I've got a stick.
This is in slow-mo.
We're here. Look, tree. Cool. Well, you have to make the sound effects first. That's actually really pretty.
So is that the way back to the beach? Is that, did you come
Yeah,
from the beach?
yeah, that'll
Okay.
go down.
Okay.
Right.
Some mysterious people.
Old closed sea cave. Now, the only way in which we can enter is if it is low tide, and we have absolutely no idea what time of day the tide is.
Yeah, we didn't look that up.
Nope.
So,
But yeah, we can do that. You mean for us? So it comes in all this way. Are there starfish in here?
oh.
Wow, look at the colors.
Look at the colors.
Look at the colors.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh,
There's got to be starfish up in here.
that's amazing.
So the water comes up to that white mark. So we would be about waist deep at high tide. You should. We're in a sea cave.
We are in a.
Oh, that.
It appears I got all of my messages for the first time in days in this sea cave.
Inside the sea cave.
Inside the sea cave. So T-Mobile really knows what they're doing, where they're putting their tower.
Right.
TH, the Thunder Hole.
TH. We're at the Thunder Hole, and that's
Yeah,
about
little splashage.
about all Shamu's doing today right now. So we're at the restaurant at Jordan Pond.
Yes, and you need to tell everyone something.
Is this for your parents or who's
I
this?
just have to make a
Am I
important
gonna
observation.
be thrown under the bus?
That my husband gave me this crab apple. It was a premature crab apple because I'm being prematurely crabby, which is the truth, and I'm glad that I'm being called out for it. I already knew it. Bubble, maybe?
The bubble.
Maybe that's the bubble rock?
There's
The
two bubbles, right?
Is it called the two bubbles?
I think they each have a name. The thing that got me though was just how 5 o'clock we had this sudden urge to hike everything in the park. Hope I have time lapse turned on. Hey, this is interesting.
Hey, let me take that.
Hang on.
Okay, you almost have it to me. Here, lean it forward. Lean it forward. Babe. Okay. Much easier, huh?
Man, 2 hands makes a real
World of a difference. Oh, someone's snapping turtle over here. Oh, interesante. Rock road. We got another run here.
the one where somebody said the couple said they had one rung, but it wasn't really needed.
I don't know.
I think this is the height.
Oh, this is awesome.
Are you up?
No. Well, I'm Give it to me.
You hear them? Hear the peregrines? You hear them? You hear them? That is a Jordan clip.
First step, the sweet hello. Second step, my heart's aglow. Third step, we had a date. Fourth step, we stayed up late. Fifth step, I walked you home. Sixth step, we're all alone. Seventh step, we took a chance. What one kiss and two romance.